Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the iPhone X as a tool, not a toy. Clean the lens and remove any case that creates shadows or flare. This immediately improves clarity. Open camera, turn on the grid, and enable RAW in settings when you plan heavy editing. Choose 1x for wide scenes, 2x for tighter framing, then tap to set focus and hold for AE/AF lock. Once done, take a bracketed exposure for one test frame to confirm exposure and focus are nailed. Next, you take control of exposure and focus to shape mood and detail. Tap to focus, then slide the sun icon to lower exposure. This protects highlights and creates richer color. If you need repeatable focus, hold to lock AE/AF. Re-tap when you change distance. For moving subjects, switch to live photos or burst mode to capture the decisive moment and choose the sharpest frame later. Also, use portrait mode for subject separation, but make sure the edge detection looks natural before you move on. Finally, you finalize the image and prepare deliverables. Import the best frames into Photos or a RAW editor, then adjust white balance, highlights, shadows, and clarity. Small changes win. Crop to strengthen composition, maintain the sensor aspect ratio for consistency, and avoid over-sharpening that creates halos. Export in the needed format and backup originals. If things go wrong, like laggy camera or odd artifacts, restart the app or phone, clean the lens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.